Imagine a knight strong enough to kill huge ground dragon with his sword, but he isolating himself in the deepest level of castle to sharpening his sword to make it stronger, while there is a demon invasion in the plain area near him. While he can kill the demon with his sword, he choose not to kill the demon because of the reason to sharpening his sword. And that is what the lone wolf type of self-improvement trying to tell us to improve. The knight can still improve himself by go out to the plain and kill the demon, while teamworking with other knights. And of course, it is more beneficial because he can improve his technique while killing the demons. And it's a better solution for the knight and the world. But the knight choose not to go out and kill the demon and just isolating himself to make his weapon and his sword stronger. So, what type of knight are you? Of course, when you are a beginner and can't even kill the dragon yourself, you must improve yourself first. But in the self-improvement journey, it is only efficient when you are about to start the self-improvement, to isolate yourself from the society that we live in. It is because the toxic environment around us that affected us negatively, and we are what our friends are. So, when we start the self-improvement journey, you are pretty much living in the toxic environment, and you must isolate yourself to get control of yourself again. But by the time pass by, our body and mind grow stronger by the positive habits that we do, like reading books, meditation, gratitude journal, etc., etc. And we have a strong enough mind and body to not get controlled by our environment. And it is a time for us to improve our environment by changing it or inviting them to improve with you. That is the time that you must quit your lone wolf journey and start socializing with others in society. Because we as a human in the real world scenario is interdependent to each other. Because we interact with other human in day-to-day life. So we must have interdependent mindset. The interdependent mindset is basically that we work with other as a teamwork to reach the same goals that we trying to achieve. So it's a win-win solution for both of you. So to improve yourself further more efficiently, you must join with the other like-minded people in the community. And if you can't find the offline community, you can find the online community if you can find the offline one, because it is the place for us to share our insight, and then we can learn from other story too. There is a time when I don't have much friend and I do the self-improvement, and when I get a root space, that is like basically the place where I am the worst. Like I am lazy, I don't feel like doing the hard work, I just want to keep procrastinating, and I just want to do the bad habits again. And when I don't have that many friends, I don't know what to do and just keep procrastinating. But when I have a like-minded friend and we keep self-improvement together, I am constantly reminded by them to keep improving myself. And because of that, we like doing some workout together, and then after that they keep reminding me of doing the deen and trying to go away from the sin. Like I am as a Muslim to do the deen and keep the positive habits. So just find a like-minded friend and community and keep trying consistently without worrying about failing with a high curiosity. See you bro, stay hard.